Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block some of your friends on Snapchat. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Snapchat app first. The only thing that I should mention before we starting is that you can only block friends. You cannot block random people on your feed. This is a major downside, but I will go through this later on. So let's see over here. We have these friends over here, two of them, right? Let's click on the first one. All we want to do right now is when you go to their profile, you want to click on the top right corner on the three dots, okay? When you're at the person that you want to block, you click on the three dots on the top right corner. And then on the pop-out menu, I want you to click on the first option, which is manage friendship. Then you have the option to block them. You have the option also to remove the friend, right? Maybe you don't want to block them, you just don't want to be friends with them anymore. Also, if you want to escalate the situation, if there is a reason for escalation, you can simply report them. This is how you can block someone on Snapchat that is part of your friends. Another reminder, if you try to do the same thing with random person from the feed of Snapchat, you're not going to be able to do it. I don't know why Snapchat doesn't allow you to block people that are not part of your friends. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.